Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and I've been trying to get this video up and something's going on with my webcam and then my computer and it's just I don't know what's going on. But I wanted to come on and share the Christmas altered book that I joined over at Janscrazylife, and I've had this for I think a week and a half or so, but I've been trying to videotape it and I just don't know what's going on with my computer. So anyway, let me go through. I've already been through this book already and I just don't know what's going on. And I think I've done this twice now and it's driving me crazy. So this book came from Donna, who is Powdered by Creativity, and I'll have her link down below. She made these beautiful altered paper clips that will go perfectly with this. It says in the back a different name, and I don't know why, but I'm hoping that it's the same person. Correct me if I'm wrong, Jan, but it says Donna here, but it says a different name on the back. So I just want to touch on that because I've already been through this book already. Okay. So thank you, Donna, for these beautiful paper clips. I love them. And then Jan had gifted me this paper clip here. It's gorgeous. It's like fabric bow. And she also sent me this card, and she didn't write in it, so I could reuse it, but I may just put this in my next junk journal, Christmas junk journal. And then she gave me some of these cute, adorable die cuts and images. So that is really sweet. Thank you so much. So as you can see, the theme of this book is Fa la 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 llama. It's so adorable and it's so humongous. Look how big this book is. I mean, it is chunky monkey, definitely. So I just want to show you the fabric that she used on the back. I'm sure it's covered in the front too, but I'm not certain. But it's just so pretty, a poinsettia on the top here. She's done some, I don't know, it's like texturing on the bottom for the snow, and then she stickled or glitter glue the sleigh, and it's just so pretty. And she used a brad for her closure with lace. And then she also made a tassel here, and it just has so many pretty ribbon and trims and little jingle bells here, and it just really adds a little jingle to the book. And she attached it to the spine. How cute is that? I see a bookmark here, and I'll show you that in a minute. What is this? Is this the bag? Yeah, this is I took it out, and anyway, so let me open it up because I don't want this to be too long. I'm just going to show you a few pages because I know Jan has gone through this already, and I'm so sorry, Donna. I've gone through this several times. I love this book. It's gorgeous. You took a lot of time decorating and adding all those tuck spots and flip outs. The flip outs are really cool, which I'm going to show you. But I'm just going to really quickly go through it because I do not want this video. I think maybe my video was too long. That's why it wasn't uploading. I don't know. But she has all these tags and cards, Christmas cards. Like this is a Christmas card. Is such a good idea. I never thought of putting Christmas cards in here, and that's what I'm going to be doing next year. So I'm just going to go through it real quick, and tuck spots. There's a belly band. really quick, so it's not too long. Oh no. And I've already been through this. I love all the different color of the papers and the different belly bands. Oh, excuse my dress form here. And she has a altered paperclip with a jingle bells, really cool die cuts. And it's just really, really cool. She just really did an awesome job with everything. See this pretty little llama here. And she has numbers, you know, from 1 to 25 and little pockets, lace on the ends of the pages. And I'm just going to go real quickly, guys. It's so pretty. And all the different types of tuck spots, pockets, all these pretty glittered numbers and on the tags, and here's another Christmas card, and lots of journaling paper, which, oh my gosh, I mean, that is just perfect. I didn't put any journaling paper in mine, but I did put a lot of, you know, tags and stuff for journaling. Here's another Christmas card with a nutcracker, one of my favorites. I have a couple of them in my home for Christmas, and it's just so pretty. Oh, I just love all the different, and look at all this washi tape she used. It's so pretty. This is a different tuck spot. It's going this way instead of this way, and it just adds a different element to the page, and it's amazing how it stays in there. So another pocket, a paper clip, and then here is oh, I think this is the altered paper clip. Oh, it's an altered paper clip. I didn't even realize that. I saw the paper clip here, but I didn't know it was this. That is so cool. See, I found something that I didn't realize that. And then she used a paper bag, and she used it as a pocket here. And she has tags, and oh my gosh. And this little Santa envelope, which is so cute. And more lace. I love this striped paper. And then she's used embossing folders for the mats. Here's another pocket. Here's another embossing folder. Here's a belly band. Very pretty. And then here is the bookmark that she added this pretty charm on the end. It really weighs it down, which, you know, you want that for a bookmark. That is so cute. I love that. Here's Father Llama. Here's another little tuck spot here with journaling and a tag. And here's another embossing folder. Here's a glassine bag that she stamped, which my camera is making it shine too much. And here's some white lace she's added. Look at this cute tag, Santa hat. I thought that was so adorable. And then she has an envelope here with some goodies in there. It's so cute. And then here, look at this. Look at this. I thought this was so clever of her. I love this flip thing. And then in the back of these presents, it's a tuck spot and another present. It's so cute. So clever. And look at a little llama on the top of the tree. Anyway, here's another bag that you can use for journaling, and there's tags in there. Look how cute this is. I love this idea with the envelopes like that. I just love that idea. Here's another paper clip that she put a tag, and this is for you know, the 25th, and then she has all these other pages. Look at this big snowflake that she did that has a tag and journaling spot, you know, to journal. Here's another envelope with some goodies. I think there's some stickers. It's so cute. So cute. I love the envelope. So I just want to go through. There's another one. Oh, look at this. Look at all this pretty trims that she used. some, you know, and then, oh, here's some washi tape, some Christmas washi tape. That was clever. I love this music paper that you just tore and added there. That is such a good, and then she did this so you can put a picture and then, you know, a journaling spot there. She's decorated. It's so pretty. So another one with a, you can put a photo here, or you could just journal, and here's another tag. It's just pretty. Look at this one. This one opens up and then there's a penguin. Isn't that cute? And here's another pocket, and this one she added a whole bunch of stickers. So thank you so much for that. Some lace and some more stickers, and here's some lace tabs. So cute. Here's some more like list pad. Here's an envelope with some journaling spots, and then she decorated it with more music paper, and here's a tag with the pocket on the side, and this one's really cool too. I think this is a card, and then it says, "May your home be blessed with the spirit of the season." Isn't that cute? I love this. It's so pretty. There was another, I thought there was another llama flip out. Didn't I show that? Oh goodness, I know that this one, I thought it was another flip out. Here it is. This llama doesn't want your holiday drama. Isn't that cute? And then here's the end. And it says Divas Russell. So I don't know if it's Donna Russell. I don't know. But I'm hoping it's Donna. But let me know if it isn't. But I mean, I hope it is. So this is my altered Christmas book for 2018. Thank you, Jan, for the swap. I've never made one of these, and it was so much fun, and it's nice to receive one. I didn't get a chance to work on this for my December daily. I'm hoping I can use this next year, but it's okay. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.